Are you even enjoying the winter season if you don't relish in the yummy desi ghee or dry fruit से भरे लड्डू? गरम गरम गुलाब जामुन, काजू से भरे गाजर का हलवा, पंजीरी, गुड़ और तिल की चिक्की, मूंग दाल का हलवा and what not? While we enjoy gorging on these delectable and mouth-watering desserts, do we stop to consider about our diabetic family members who don't get to enjoy any of these and have to avoid eating these yummy desserts? Welcome to the 7th episode of your favorite show, Are You Eating Right? I am your host Muskan, and if you are a diabetic, then this video is for you. Today I'll be sharing with you 4 great sugar-free dessert alternatives that you can enjoy in this winter season. Not only diabetics, even pre-diabetics or people who have genetic predisposition, which means that if your family members have a history of diabetes, you should avoid artificial sugar because stable sugar increases the glycemic index in your body, which means that the intake of anything sweet causes a spike in your blood sugar level, which can affect your body organs in various ways. Now let's jump to the yummy dessert. Dessert number 1, Khajur Gulab Jamun. Khajur is a great alternative to sugar. Dates are naturally very sweet and a great substitute for your chemically processed diabetes-inducing table sugar. Dates are loaded with fiber, antioxidants, potassium, magnesium, copper and also carbohydrates. The best way to eat sugar-free gulab jamun is by substituting the sugar with khajur. This way, the traditional fried dumplings soaked in rose-flavored syrup retains their authentic taste without causing any spike in your blood sugar level. Second recipe, Anjir and nuts laddu. This recipe has 2 very powerful ingredients. First, Anjir. It strengthens your gut, improves metabolism and is loaded with potassium and fiber, which helps in keeping your blood sugar level in check and also helps in fighting free radicals in your body. Second ingredient, nuts and seeds, which are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, good fats, protein and fiber. Therefore, combining these 2 very powerful ingredients makes for one of the healthiest dessert options out there. This laddu is prepared only using dry fruits, seeds and nuts and has no added sugar, making it a very healthy choice for people who have diabetes or people who want to reduce weight. To make these yummy laddus, you take anjeer, khajur along with dry fruits such as almonds, cashews, walnuts, raisins and seeds like pumpkin seeds, sunflower, flax, chia and blend them all together, making them into little balls, and that's it. You have your laddus ready. Recipe number 3, Oats Ke Ke. Kheer might not be your favorite dessert, but I can bet you never pass on a bowl of milky, thick and delicious kheer. But did you know there is a healthy way in which you can make kheer without the stress of weight gain or added sugar? You can replace your normal milk with almond milk as it has less calories and lesser sugar content. If you still want to use normal milk, then you should definitely switch rice with oats. Oats are rich in high quality protein, fiber, manganese, phosphorus, zinc, B vitamins and antioxidants. To make your kheer sweeter, you can add dates, khajur or natural sweeteners. To make it tastier and healthier, make sure that you add nuts and seeds of your choice with a pinch of cardamom and saffron. Dessert number 4, fruit chaat. Okay, before you fight me on this, fruits are a great alternative to laddu, pede and kheer. You might not enjoy them as desserts, but your body loves it. Mix up some oranges, apples, bananas, pomegranates along with grapes, berries and other seasonal fruits to make your plate more colorful, delicious and your body healthier. Also, before we end this video, I just want to put it out there that you don't have to be a diabetic to cut down on your sugar. For your holistic health, make sure that you're not exceeding your sugar limit for the day. Also, now that you know of these yummy desserts, make sure to give it a try in your kitchen. But before you do that, consult a doctor so that you make sure that your body is not adversely affected or is allergic to any of the ingredients mentioned. That's it for this week. I'll see you next week. Till then, enjoy these yummy desserts.